Bullish Ethereum, ETH, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $10,620.15 and $20,060.27 by 2030. Market experts accept ETH could reach $8,260.11 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1,888.03. Ethereum, ETH, presentation decentralized and open source. Ethereum is a blockchain that supports savvy contracts. The stage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main digital currency after Bitcoin. Developer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony D'Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum originators. Crowdfunding for improvement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute long-lasting and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance, DeFi, offer a great many monetary administrations without the requirement for regular monetary middle people like banks, businesses, or trades, for example. Empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their property out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that demonstrate responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few foundations. They are moreover conceivable to create and trade utilizing Ethereum. Furthermore, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for beginning coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum, ETH? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local digital currency. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to assemble any safe computerized innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for utilization on the blockchain network, yet clients may likewise utilize it to pay for errands done on the blockchain. Adaptable, programmable, secure, and decentralized are highlights of Ethereum. Thus, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our day-to-day routines. Ethereum, ETH, specialized investigation is indicated by specialized examination performed on Ethereum. The cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the decision, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest obstruction. One more reassuring sign, the cost of ETH going over the moving normal with sound exchanging movement, upholds this. Consequently, assuming that the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the principal opposition, the following significant region to watch out for is most likely to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or discredit longer-term expectations. Second, Ether is the hold resource for decentralized finance, DeFi, on the grounds that it is used as security in the decentralized money, DeFi, conventions. For example, getting or loaning Ether to build a yield in light of marking and yield cultivating is one use case. The agreement expresses that 5% of each and every Ether will be held in marking and 5% will be secured in DeFi. Third, since clients might utilize this computerized cash to pay for items and administrations on the Ethereum blockchain, the second era of blockchains, Ether, can be viewed as another kind of cash. For example, non-fungible tokens, NFT, for example, crypto collectibles, think about things in the gaming area or advanced craftsmanship collectibles, are bought utilizing Ether. Ethereum is presently worth $2,359.87 United States dollars. ETH has moved 4.90% as of now with an exchanging volume of $14,892,500,384. Ethereum is right now positioned 2 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $283,163,793,334 United States dollars. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum, ETH, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Ethereum, ETH, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023 Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year, ETH. The ETH cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $3,539.81. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $3,303.82 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $2,831.85. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $5,899.68. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the ETH's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $4,719.74 and a typical exchanging cost of $5,191.72. Ethereum, ETH, value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $8,259.55 and ETH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $7,551.59 and a low of $7,079.62 in 2025. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2026. Assuming Ethereum effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $10,619.74, with a base cost of $9,439.77 and a typical cost of $9,911.76. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $12,271.70 by 2027, with a base cost of $11,799.71 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ETH has a greatest value worth of $12,979.68. Ethereum, ETH, value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $14,631.64. In the event that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $15,339.62. Neglecting to assemble the help ETH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $14,159.